In this video, we're going to show you how to make a custom survey in Go High Level to capture leads. It should only take about 10 minutes, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to create a powerful multi-step survey, but you'll also understand why surveys are crucial for capturing high-quality leads, how Go High Level works, and how you can use it to grow your business or help clients generate more sales. Before we get started, if you want to follow along with the steps in this video, click the link in the description to start using Go High Level right away. They're offering a free trial, so there's absolutely no risk in trying it out. Even if you don't have a Go High Level account yet, you can sign up and follow these exact steps to create your own custom surveys and start capturing leads immediately. Surveys are one of the most effective ways to understand your audience. Instead of asking for all the information at once, which can overwhelm your leads, you can break it down into small, manageable steps. Multi-step surveys make it easier for your audience to complete, and they also increase the accuracy of the information collected. For example, if you're running a service-based business like flooring, you might want to know your lead's name, contact info, location, service needs, and any specific concerns. Asking all of this on a single long form can be intimidating, and many users will abandon it. With surveys, you can ask a few questions per slide, gradually building trust while collecting all the data you need. Not only do surveys help capture better leads, but they also allow you to segment your audience. This means you can send personalized follow-ups, show the right offers to the right people, and ultimately increase your chances of converting leads into paying clients. Before we dive into building the survey, let's take a moment to understand why Go High Level is such a powerful tool. Go High Level is an all-in-one marketing platform designed to replace multiple tools at once. Instead of paying separately for a landing page builder, email marketing software, CRM, or SMS platform, Go High Level combines all of these into one easy-to-use system. At its core, Go High Level helps you capture leads, nurture them through automated emails and SMS, and convert them into paying customers. Everything you create, from funnels to forms to surveys, is fully integrated. This means all your data, analytics, and workflows live in one place, making it easy to see which surveys are performing well, which emails are being opened, and which links are being clicked. Go High Level is perfect for freelancers, digital marketers, agencies, and even beginners. You can build a simple lead capture survey for your own product or service, or create complex multi-step surveys for multiple clients. Agencies can manage all their client campaigns from a single dashboard, and because you can white label Go High Level, you can even offer it as your own lead generation solution. Now let's move into creating our custom survey in Go High Level. To start, open the sub-account where you want to build your survey. Once you're inside, navigate to the Sites section. From here, click on the Survey Builder and hit the Add Survey button to begin creating your new survey. The first step is to name your survey. Giving it a clear and descriptive name helps you easily identify it later, especially if you're managing multiple surveys across different clients or campaigns. For this example, we'll call our survey Flooring Survey. Next, we can move on to designing the survey using the Styles and Options tabs in the top right corner. The Styles tab allows you to customize the look and feel of your survey. You can adjust colors, fonts, spacing, and overall layout to match your brand or your client's brand. If you want to save time, Go High Level also offers pre-made templates, which are perfect for quickly launching a professional-looking survey without building it from scratch. The Options tab determines what happens after a lead submits the survey. You can choose to redirect them to a thank you page, send them to another website, or display a custom message. For our survey, we'll select the message option and type in, "Thank you for submitting the survey. We will contact you soon." This gives a professional touch while letting your leads know their submission was successful. Once the survey settings are ready, we can build the first slide. Click on Add Survey Elements and select the fields you want to include. For the first slide, we'll add name, email, and phone number. These basic contact details are essential for any business. Next, we'll add more slides to capture additional information. For example, the second slide can include address, city, state, and country. Breaking the survey into multiple slides make it feel less overwhelming, which encourages more leads to complete the entire form. To collect specific business-related information, we can add custom fields. Click on Add Survey Element, Custom Fields, and create questions tailored to your business. For example, you might ask, what type of flooring services do you need? Or do you have any special requirements or concerns? Assign these fields to the contact group and save them. You can add as many custom questions as you need, depending on how detailed you want your survey to be. Finally, once your survey is complete, click Save. To see exactly how it will appear to your leads, integrate to open the live survey. You can even enter test data to see exactly how it will work for your leads before sharing it publicly. This step is crucial because it allows you to ensure every field functions correctly, every message displays as intended, and the overall flow of the survey feels natural. When everything works seamlessly, your survey is ready to capture high-quality leads efficiently and professionally without frustrating your potential clients or losing valuable information. By creating a multi-step survey in Go High Level, you're not just asking questions, you're building a system that captures meaningful, actionable information from your leads. Each response can help you understand your audience better, segment them based on their preferences, and create personalized follow-ups that are much more likely to convert. These surveys don't just collect data, they provide insights, guiding your marketing strategy and helping you deliver the right message to the right person at the right time. One of the greatest advantages of Go High Level is that all of this happens from a single dashboard. You don't need to juggle multiple tools or worry about integrating different software. Everything, surveys, funnels, email campaigns, workflows, is connected and automated. This means you save time, reduce complexity, and increase your results, all while managing your leads and campaigns from one central platform. So if you haven't already, click the link in the description to start your Go High Level free trial today. The 30-day trial is completely risk-free, giving you plenty of time to explore the platform, test its features, and start building your own surveys, automated workflows, and funnels. During this trial, you can experiment with multi-step surveys, see how leads interact with your forms, and discover firsthand how automation can transform your marketing efforts. With Go High Level, capturing leads becomes more effective than ever. You can follow up automatically through email and SMS, monitor how your audience interacts with your surveys and campaigns, and instantly gain insights into what's working and what needs improvement. Whether you're a freelancer, an agency, or a business owner, this platform gives you the tools to grow your online presence, manage your clients, and convert leads into paying customers, all without the hassle of managing multiple systems. Even if you've never used a marketing platform like this before, Go High Level makes it incredibly simple to get started. By leveraging surveys effectively, you can collect accurate and complete data from your leads to make informed decisions, segment your audience for targeted and relevant marketing campaigns, personalize your follow-ups to dramatically increase conversions, save time and effort with automated workflows that handle repetitive tasks, and seamlessly integrate surveys into your funnels, websites, or email campaigns. All of this means you're not just building a survey, you're building a complete lead generation and conversion system that works for you automatically. You'll start to see how much easier it is to manage campaigns, nurture leads, and grow your business when everything is connected in one place. Don't wait. Click the link in the description to try Go High Level free with their free trial.